We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.
Hi everyone,
It's Akyah.
and her Nana,
Two
cool science chicks. Well, tell us what's going on today, Akyah.
We have a special guest.
And who is that special guest?
Hello, I'm Akyah's short great grandma from St. Louis, Missouri.
Okay, and the reason she said short grandma is because that is the nickname that Akyah gave her, short grandma. Okay, all right, so what are we doing today, people?
Elephant's toothpaste.
And now we've done elephant's toothpaste, I believe 2 times now. Why are we doing elephant's toothpaste again?
Because it's Granny's favorite.
Okay, all right. Well, we're gonna do it again, but we're not gonna do elephant's toothpaste in here. Why, Akyah?
It'll destroy the house.
Yep. Well, I don't know if it's gonna destroy the house, but so what are we gonna do? Where are we gonna do this, girls?
Outside.
Let's take this experiment outside. So we knew we had to take this operation outside. Well, I guess it's an experiment, not really an operation. But I let my mom put my lab coat on. So why don't we tell the folks what we're going to use for elephant's toothpaste. And also, I will also put all of the ingredients in the description. Okay, so what do we have here? Who wants to talk?
Okay, dishwashing soap, peroxide, warm water, yeast, and food coloring, red food coloring. Right, Kai?
Yes. And
Okay.
food dye is optional.
Okay, and you guys have your goggles on, and
Yep.
I don't know where I put my goggles.
Oh.
So
I
I
want-
think they're still in the kitchen.
I got this.
Powder.
oh, that's only one glove.
You only asked for one. You only got one.
Okay, well I'll step aside then. I won't do anything. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is, Grandma, you
Okay.
are going to. Oh, and this. Yeah, go ahead.
3 drops.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want.
Oops. How's
Put
that?
some
A little
more.
more.
How's that?
More.
More.
Just squeeze it. We'll tell you when. Just squeeze it.
Do the Akyah and go crazy with it.
Yeah.
What?
You're finally allowing that.
Is that enough, Akyah?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, stop.
Okay, now
There we go.
Okay, we'll put this aside.
food dye.
Okay,
Oh.
a few drops of.
My favorite color?
I put a lot because you want it to be more vibrant.
Okay.
What's in purple?
Okay, is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. And remember, the peroxide is already in the bottle. So this is nothing but developer for hair coloring. So you can get this at your local beauty supply store. Okay? But kids, you have to do what, Akyah?
Ask your parents for permission.
Yes. Okay. All right. We'll put this down here.
Time to pour the water into the yeast.
But how much warm water do you need?
Half a cup,
Half a cup.
which is 120 milliliters.
Okay, how about I do that for you, and then you're gonna have to.
Oh, you can do that.
Whoa.
All right, now, Akyah, put that in. So we have already put 3 tablespoons of yeast in here.
The powder kind, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, stir that up, Akyah.
Stir.
Here we go. Who's gonna take this away? Ron, you gonna pull that away?
You have to do it. As soon as
You have to do it really quick.
Wait a minute. What are you saying now?
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no.
Look at it. I love it. Looks like cotton
Here we go.
candy.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Ew! Shake my hand.
Shake your
No,
hand.
that hand.
Ooh.
With that one.
Feels so warm.
Oh, did you hear that? Grandma said that it's warm.
I love it.
Do you remember what type of reaction?
Smells
Yes, an
good.
exothermic reaction. Because you had some chemicals reacting here that created to make this warm. You had the yeast and the peroxide and the dishwashing soap. So all of that created a chemical reaction that caused this to heat up.
Wow,
Yeah.
I like this.
Well, we hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. And if you did and you would like to see more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Two Cool Science Chicks. Hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So, what was your favorite part?
Being here and doing it with my granddaughter.
Oh,
For the first time.
Ah, that is so sweet. Well, until then, kids.
Stay cool, reach for the stars, always believe in yourself, and never stop questioning.
Go ahead.
And action.
That's what they do. Okay.
Well, if it's still on,
Oh, it's not.
you might end up with a
Is it on?
Ready? And okay. All right. And action. Okay, ready? And